in the context of Zimbabwe, maybe for our audience who might not be familiar with it, would you say that this mindset is very much present on people's lives, as opposed to in some countries in the West where fast fashion has kind of become the norm?
So here we are, right? We're in the middle in Zimbabwe because I believe we've been doing everything right. We don't have your high street shops. Like, we've got one or two fashion retailers. So when I was looking at that, I was like, everything we've been doing so far is correct. It's all made to measure. Most people buy their clothes made to measure. You're buying something for a specific occasion, but you'll keep wearing that. I grew up in a household where my grandmother used to make my mother's clothes and her siblings' clothes, where when I would go to school, my mother would knit my jersey. So this is how we have grown up. But we are now in the middle where we're like, let's keep up with the West. So I'm like kind of right there saying, actually, no, let's continue doing what we were doing. Let's continue to take care of our clothes. Let's wash our clothes. We wash our clothes by hands. We line dry our clothes. So we try, but overconsumption is literally knocking on our door. I'll give you one example. I was out here saying, we don't do Black Friday in Zimbabwe. Like, that never happens. And this year, as a result possibly of the pressure post-lockdown, a lot of young designers are having Black Friday sales. And I'm just like, why are we doing this? Like, let's wait a minute. So I would say we know what to do. We know the right thing, but there are economic pressures, right? There are pressures to please. So it's a learning process. It's all about, again, education. And as I've been working with young designers, I believe that they then go and also speak to their customers or to their inner circles to carry the message across. For me, it started with reducing waste, right? So we went from I would sit and observe. I sit and observe a lot of things. So I went from how many meters to make a pair of trousers? Then I'd be told 2 meters. And I'm like, but why is there always a piece left? What are we doing with that? So my first thing started with, if it's going to be 1.45 meters, that is what we are buying in the shop, and that is how we're making. I've incorporated it more, like even at times things like labels. I've used it when I've been working with artisans. Sometimes you can use the offcuts to incorporate into designs. And I've just tried to eliminate waste from the very beginning. So I say I've tried because it's a journey. And I can never tell you that, we are 100% zero waste. But that's how I've tried to do it.